Hi folks, it's Moz here, and Lidl have just put on their website that on the 27th they're going to be bringing out another range of starter sets from Airfix down their middle aisle. So Lidl have often put out starter sets from Airfix just before Christmas, and we all go down there and pick them up. And they've just put on their website that Thursday the 27th of July they have another range of starter sets in. So just look on the website, you go to the coming up tab and you're looking up toys and crafts, and on toys and crafts you scroll down and you will see that they are releasing the starter sets at £6.99. So looking into it, apparently you're going to get the Willys Jeep as one kit, and you're going to be getting a Supermarine Spitfire Mark 1A. Following that, Yellow Jacks will also be in the list, the Curtis Tomahawk 2B, the Sherman Firefly, and the Tiger One, which is the releases from the last 2 years. But also on the list you've got the Messerschmitt BF109, you've got the Mitsubishi A6M2B0 and the Cutty Sark. Now they're just pictures on the website, they're not on this list on the right hand side, so they may be in the range too. But if you remember at Christmas time, or just before Christmas last time, they had the pictures up but the list was a little bit different. So I'm pretty certain you're going to get those 6 kits that they've mentioned in that list, and if we're going to get the other ones as well, it's all in for a bonus. And here's some examples of what we bought last time from Lidl. You know, the Yellow Jacks. You can see that, you know, they are, you know, a complete kit. They come with the decals, the plastic, the instructions. But because they're starter sets, they come with the Humble paints, the poly cement, and the brushes. So if you want to pick yourself up with some other kits like the Sherman Firefly, which is, you know, I can assure you this is a very good starter set, because they are the ones that were released 2 years ago. So they're not like an old molding with just paints and glue added. These are proper new tooling directly aimed at starters, and they go together really well. In fact, here is my Sherman Firefly that I did on the channel, which I'll link in the description box, where you can watch the build for this one. And this was actually painted using the Humble paints that came inside the box. So there you go, that's what you could build from these starter sets. Also, there's the Supermarine Spitfire, which is the Mark 1A, which is an older kit. It's not the Mark 5, but it's a very good kit anyway. And there's the Curtis P40B. So there you go. These are 4 kits that I got from Lidl last time. So you're going to get something similar this time. Now remember, this is happening Thursday coming up, which is the 27th of July. And they'll be down the middle aisle at your local Lidl. And just as a heads up for you, they'll be £6.99. And go down there and pick yourself up some pretty cool starter sets, and I hope that helps. Anyways, if you like the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, ring that bell, click all, and you'll be notified when I release a new video. Any questions, any comments, leave in the box below, because I do reply. And a huge shout out to my channel members who are shown on screen now. They help the channel, and if you'd like to become a channel member, just click join and select the membership tier you so wish. So if you want to see my latest video, click here. If you'd like to see a playlist of some of my other videos, click here.